SwissWatchExpo in Atlanta, Georgia is unlike any watch store you have ever seen. The internet's leading retailer of authentic, pre-owned luxury timepieces just unveiled its hip new store in the upscale district of Buckhead. Established in 1996, we have a passion for beautiful Swiss timepieces and unparalleled customer service. We began as a local brick and mortar in the upscale Buckhead district of Atlanta. Our success locally over 2 decades allowed us to branch out nationally and globally to become one of the recognized leaders worldwide in pre-owned luxury watches. We believe in providing exceptional quality, unbeatable value, and outstanding service to our valued family of customers, whether visiting in-store or online. We look forward to serving you.